Hey guys, we received this reusable hollow rolling tote bag for test and try. Collapsible, portable shopping cart with the wheels for groceries, and it can be used for the apartments, laundry, organization, or the heavy duty utility tote. So it's a basket with the wheels, in short, and it can be used like the travel or the moving. So it comes in this nice bag thing, and you can see like the quality. It's really heavy duty with the ample storage. So once it's fold, it is like 11.8 to 15.8 inches. Once this is unfold, it is 15.8 to 11.8 with the width of like 11.8 and the height is 19.7 inches. So this one is I really like the nice space as you can see it here with the side pockets. You can put like towel or the bottle, and with this ample space it is easy to carry, and this have a zip on the top so you can easily lock it and take it. So the tough and durable waterproof fabric and the large pocket design with the three thick set and the sturdy handles with a silky zipper. So overall I will say this is a nice rolling tote bag. So let me just try putting in the stuff. So I put in the stuff and you can see this is the whole expanded, the size of the bag, and these handles are really helpful with the side pockets for the water and the towel or anything you want to put. And then the wheels are really smooth. As you can see, I'm rotating it to very easily, and it's rotating really nicely. So now you can hold it with the top handle, or you can also pull it with the side handle. So this one is easy to carry like that way, and then the wheels are really smooth, sturdy, and nice thick quality grocery or the tote bag.